was going to say there should be a washer on there. And you just put it back there and put the bolt through it. But I can't see. Oh. Just try to get it pretty straight. You can do the final adjustments after the bike's up, and you can sit in the dark and find where you want this beam. All right, and then next I'm just going to flip the bike upside down, and we'll get to the pedals and the front wheel. And you get ready for your front wheel to go on. Probably find the spacer in here, which has to come out. For some reason it's stuck on there pretty good. And when you put this quick release through your tire, you take this end off. Then you take one spring off, put it through your tire. Then you put the one spring back on, the small end facing the tire. And then you screw this back on. Then when you put it together, well, it's got to be. Oh, yeah. So busy showing you that. You got to take this out of your brake. You got to line up the brake and the holes. Then you just screw this side down. Or you can use either side. Just hold one end and screw it down till you got a good amount of force there on your lever. And some people will point it forward, some people point it backwards. It's, I don't know, if you're going to be going through weeds and stuff, make sure you point it backwards so it doesn't act as a hook to grab stuff. Now onto the pedals. All right, the left pedal is reverse thread, which means you got to turn it counterclockwise, which it does show you on here.